2012 BMW 5 Series 528i xDrive in grey. Hot options include leather seats, heated seats, power sunroof, power locks, power windows, automatic climate control, power seats, OnStar navigation, all-wheel drive, and passed rigorous safety inspection performed by certified technician. BMW has outdone itself with this gorgeous 2012 BMW 5 Series. It just doesn't get any better at this price. This 5 Series' engine never skips a beat. It's nice being able to slip the key into the ignition and not having to cross your fingers every time. The 5 Series was Motor Trend's Import Car of the Year. Don't miss your chance to save big at Moses Factory Outlet, Teays Valley.